Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Luca again, and it's tripod day again. Today we're gonna unbox the new let's say full-size tripod that I bought for myself. This is not really a full size, but for what I need is more than full size, because I don't want anything bigger than this to carry around in any case. And for the weight of the equipment that I'm gonna put in it, there's no reason for me to go beyond this size. But without any further ado, let's move forward. Why did I bought this? Bought this because the tripod that is right now holding the camera that is recording me is a newer tripod as well as this, and is the aluminum version, which I really appreciated in the last 2 years or so. Even though it came with a cheap ball head that I had to replace with a newer head, which was rated for 20 kilos. I would never put 20 kilos on it, but it's still all metal and it's a lot better than the one that came with the tripod. But the tripod itself is really good. Honestly, I haven't had anything to complain. Now I'm moving to this version, which is the 66-inch carbon fiber tripod, because I just wanted something lighter, and based on reviews and based on specification, it looks like this is even sturdier than the one that I had. So that's why I bought this. And I bought this because it costed me on a flash deal 66 euros, something like that, which is crazy cheap for a carbon fiber tripod. You wouldn't buy anything with that price. So let's move forward and unbox it. This Amazon paper is always difficult to deal with, but I did it. And let's see what we have inside. So we do have, there's nothing in it. We do have its case, which is a lot better than the one that came with the tripod that is filming me now. And on the inside, we have a tripod, of course, and we're gonna get to it a little bit later. And what is this? A short center column if I want to go very low to the ground, and an adapter for the thread. And what else? Looks like we don't have much more in this, so let's put this aside. And let's go right to the tripod. We do have some instruction and an hex tool, which we don't need right now. And this is the tripod. This is the tripod, and it comes compact and folded reversed. This is how the majority of tripods get to their shortest length to carry them around. The tripod seems very sturdy at the first sight. So let's go on and see how it feels like. So it has its usual 3 positions, and then you see, hope you see the spikes here, and I need to go a little bit down to make sure they don't touch my desk. This is very useful for when you are, like, say, on ice or in the sand or in the grass. You don't want the tripod to slide. This is really important. But when you don't need it and you actually are in a good good surface, you don't need these spikes to come out. And let's fold the center column and remove the pouch from the tripod head. So that's basically the tripod, which seems very sturdy. And the head, I don't understand if it's metal or not. There is friction somehow. There's some kind of friction in it. And there's a panning knob, which is very fluid. It is really good, and it feels really, really good. And this, okay, so let's just put it here. Oops. Wrong. Okay, now it's not moving. And yes, the head feels nice. There's a quick release plate, Arca Swiss, always Arca Swisses. You can see here. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use my trusted Peak Design plate that I use to carry my camera on the strap. And this is basically, this is the tripod. It feels very good. The leg there's kind of unlocking mechanism, which you have to twist to lock and unlock. I was used to the other type, the clamp one, which doesn't give you that feeling that you don't know if you have everything locked or not. But I must say that this feels nice, even though I have to turn it a little bit more than I wanted to move these legs. But other than that, well, no, actually, it's just a matter of getting used to it. But the tripod feels really good. I'm not going to review it now because I want to use it in the field, and I will use it in the field very soon. But first impressions, really good. You have, again, as I told you, 3 positions. This is the narrow one. Then you can go a little bit further again, and then almost flat to the ground for all the legs. And you want to remove this and put the small center column if you want to go very low to the ground. And last but not least, this leg actually unscrews and becomes a monopod. I never used a monopod in my life, but to be honest, I never had a monopod. So the option that I have here may make me change my mind about monopods. And again, the tripod feels very good. I don't know about the head, but worst case, I'm going to use the one that I bought for the other one. And I must say that I'm impressed by the feeling of this. It's carbon fiber compared to the aluminum that I have. Size, I guess, is pretty much the same, and this is gonna go high, so it should be perfect for me. I'll let you know. Thank you for watching this video, and click the like button if you liked it. Click the unlike button twice if you didn't like it, and subscribe if you want to see more material from my channel. And especially because I'm not gonna be only reviewing stuff, but I will be out in the field and I will be taking pictures, flying the drone, and a lot of other stuff that I plan on doing. So thank you again. I'll see you in the next one.